I'm Stacy Bourbon with Perry Homes, and this is the Sizzle. I am in this beautiful 2545 plan kitchen, and I have 3 words for you: bourbon, peach, cobbler. You're gonna wanna watch this. You can really see that the kitchen is the hub of this home. From here, we can easily access the entryway, the game room that is included in this floor plan, a spacious master suite, both the indoor and the outdoor living areas. My first step is to get our peaches ready. I have 6 to 8 cups of sliced peaches. You can use fresh, you can use frozen ones if you want. These are actually frozen. And to that, I've got a 1/4 cup of bourbon, and it goes. Then I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar, dump that in there, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then finally 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm gonna stir it, mix them all together. So now for the crust, I've got 1½ cups of flour, and I've got 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I have a teaspoon of salt. And then I love to add oatmeal into it. It gives it a really nice texture, so that's 1/2 cup of oatmeal. And now the best part is 1½ sticks of cubed ice cold butter. I'm gonna put that into my bowl, and I'm gonna use my hands. I'm gonna mix it all together, and then it'll look like sand when I'm done. My second step for the crust, after I added the butter and got it all incorporated, see, it does look like sand. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream into the crust and stir it, and it's gonna form a really sticky dough for the top of the peach cobbler. Now I'm just taking the dough, and I'm using my hands, and I'm just dropping it in lumps and bumps right on top of the peaches that I put into the pan. And that's it. Now it's ready to go in the oven. I just pulled the cobbler out of a 375-degree oven. It baked for about 40 minutes. And so now I'm gonna let it cool. And as it cools, we're gonna thaw out this ice cream. As you can see, I've plated my bourbon peach cobbler, and I added some vanilla ice cream to the top. This is so delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Sizzle. For more information about Perry Homes, go to perryhomes.com or call the number on the screen.